In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts on Brevo. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to Brevo's login page. Sign in with your usual method. If you use Google, click Sign in with Google and choose the Google account associated with your Brevo workspace. Complete any verification prompts and you'll land in your Brevo dashboard. From the dashboard, open the CRM area, then go to Contacts. This is where you'll see your lists and all the contacts available to you. Before exporting, decide exactly which contacts you want included. You can select individual contacts by clicking their checkboxes, or select multiple at once using the checkbox in the header row. Take a moment to review your selection so you only export what you need, which keeps your file clean and easier to work with. With your contacts selected, look for the More Actions menu toward the top of the page and choose Export. This opens the Export Setup panel. Here you'll choose which attributes or columns to include in the file. By default, Brevo selects email, last changed, and creation date. These are useful for identifying each contact and understanding when they were added or last updated. If you need additional fields, such as names, phone numbers, tags, or any custom attributes, toggle those on now so they're included in the output. Next, choose how you want the CSV file to be formatted by picking the field separator. You can use a comma or a semicolon. The best choice depends on the software and regional settings you'll use to open the file. Many spreadsheet tools in North America prefer commas, while some European locales work better with semicolons. If columns don't line up correctly later, re-import the file and switch the delimiter to fix it. When everything looks right, click Start Export. Brevo prepares the file in the background. You don't need to wait on this page. The platform will notify you when it's ready. To download the file, open Notifications by clicking the bell icon near your account name. Find the export notification and choose the option to download the file. Save it somewhere secure and organized, especially if you're handling personal data. If your contact list is large, the export may take a bit longer, so give it a moment before refreshing the notifications panel. That's it, you've successfully exported your contacts from Brevo, chosen the exact fields you need, and downloaded a clean CSV you can use in your CRM, spreadsheet, or reporting tools.